Happy Sunday mga ka-awesome. So Sunday today at nasa bahay lang kami. Walang ganap, walang gala. Dito lang sa bahay. So after ng lunch, ganito ang ginagawa ng aming awesome baby. Toys nandyan. Say hi. Say hi, Sia. Sia, here. Say hi. 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 How are you? What are you doing? You're going to take a nap? Huh? Going to take a nap? Pasensya na sa mga kalat. Ganyan kami everyday. Ang mga kalat ay hindi nawawala. Mamaya, pag niligpit mo, mamaya, may kalat na naman. Yan. See ya. Take a nap na. Come on. You say hi. Are you okay? Are you okay? Okay ka lang? Ha? Antok na? Antok na? Antok ka na? Ha? Say hi to them. Say hi. Hi. No, say hi. No, no, no. Mahulog ka. Baba. Baba, ikaw. Mahulog ka. Baba. 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 Ay, yun ay pagpasensyahan nyo na kapag ganyan siya kakulit. May times na ganyan. Yoga ball naman. Diba? Kalat everywhere. Nasay? Nap time na tayo? Nap time na. Okay na. It's okay na. Mana? Halika na. Ayan na guys. Ganyan ang gagawin niya pag hindi siya nasusunod. No? Okay na? Good na? Good na tayo? Ha? Okay? Good na? Are you going to take a nap na? Oh, come on now. Take a nap. Okay? Oh, no. Don't move mommy's glasses. Stop glasses. Oh, this is not. It's okay. Another. This is for mommy. This is for mommy. This is for mommy. Okay?
Thank you for watching this video. Raycast being so very alive. Thank you.
Okay.
Well, what's up with Daddy? One, two, three.
So guys, dyan lang po muna. At siya po ay mag-nap time muna para maging ma-energize siya mamaya. So happy Sunday everyone, mga ka-awesome. Bye-bye. Please like, share, and subscribe po. It's a big help po for Sia. Thank you. God bless everyone.